Air Care Cooling and Heating is a full-service residential plumbing and HVAC company in Mesa that services the greater Phoenix area. Our team of licensed technicians are available day and night to provide you with the heating and cooling services you need to remain comfortable in your home. From complete installation of a new HVAC system to minor air conditioning repairs in Mesa, we do it all, and we do it right. All of our services are backed by a great warranty and a 100% customer satisfaction guarantee. As a trusted provider, Air Care Cooling and Heating offers HVAC repair, air conditioning maintenance, duct cleaning, furnace repairs, indoor air quality assessments, residential plumbing, and much more. Don't hesitate to call us after hours, as we provide 24/7 emergency HVAC and plumbing services with no overtime charges. We've made it our mission to offer not just the best technical service, but customer service too. When it's time for HVAC installation, repair, or maintenance in Mesa, Scottsdale, Chandler, Phoenix, or the surrounding communities, be sure to give Air Care Cooling and Heating a call or visit our website to request a free estimate for professional service today.